Python comments. Python is high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Let's explore the fundamental elements of Python comments. Comments are lines in the code that are not executed. They are used to explain and document the code. We have single line comment. Start with the symbol hashtag symbol. Let us see this example. For comments, this is a single line comment. Print hello world. This prints a message. This is, these are single line comments that are not going to execute it. Only the print function will be executed. Print this will be executed. These single line comments will not be executed. Let us run and see the see here. Only with the statements with the hashtag won't be executed. Those are single line comments. Multi-line comments. These comments can be written using double quotes. Let us see these examples. This is a multi-line comment. It spans multiple lines. These lines won't be executed as it is commented. Now we'll print hello. Let's run and see output. We got only hello two times because this also will be printed. So these are going to be single line comments, and using triple quotes it won't be printed as it is multi-line comments.